This human brain diagram was created using a free online diagram generation tool. It clearly illustrates the major parts of the human brain, such as the cerebrum, cerebellum, and brainstem, helping to break down complex neurological structures into a simple, visual, and easy-to-understand format for learners. Now, let's go through the process step by step. First, open your internet browser. On the search bar, type Acadraw. Open this link. This is the website. If you are new to this website, click on Login. You can use your Google account to log in. Once you logged in, click on the Create option to begin. In the search box, enter your prompt. I created this prompt using ChatGPT to ensure the information is clear, accurate, and well-structured. After submitting the prompt, allow a few moments for the system to process your request. While the diagram is being generated, the tool automatically converts your text prompt into a detailed visual layout. Once the process is complete, your human brain diagram will appear on the screen. You can carefully review the diagram, make adjustments if necessary, and then download it completely free of cost. This method is especially useful for students, teachers, and content creators who need high-quality educational visuals for presentations, assignments, research posters, or online learning materials, without requiring any advanced design skills. You can then create more prompts for different diagrams using ChatGPT, like I have created human eye anatomy. Diagrams like this play a crucial role in education as they enhance memory retention, support visual learning, and make abstract concepts more accessible. Thank you for watching.